Hey, hey, hey! It's time for the first cash stuffing of June. I can't believe it. It's June 13th today, and just wow. Yeah, it's just time just flies. Let's see. We are leaving on June 21st. So how many days is that? Like what, 8 days? Yeah, a week tomorrow. So wow. I'm hoping to have videos all pre-recorded for you all while I'm away so that there's no gap in my videos. I would like to keep things consistent and hopefully have a couple things for you all. We'll see, how it goes and if I have content to film, but let's just go ahead and get right into the cash stuffing. So first, what we're going to do is get our rollover out and see how much we have. Let's see if we have any change in here. This wallet I am really liking. It's like decently small, so it fits nicely in my purse. Well, my purse is big anyway, but I like it. It's like feeling pretty compact and everything. So if you happen to be interested in this, it is linked, in my Amazon storefront that is in the description box below. I love like this quilted pattern on it. And it did also come in other colors as well. Okay, so I emptied the change out. Let's go ahead and check. This is that cash for the stuffing. Let's check the rollover and see what we have. Let me grab a little bit of this sort quick here. That is leaking everywhere, basically. But whatever, I guess. All right, so in terms of rollover, let's see what we have left here. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 136. I'm happy with that. As always, this is going to go over to the side and be used for savings challenges. All right, we have more than usual here, and some of this is going to be for challenges. So actually, hold please. Okay, so I removed the cash for challenges. I took out a little bit of regular cash for challenges. I don't normally do that, but I did that this time because I know I have like a little bit of money in my vacay sinking fund that needs to be exchanged for real cash. So that's the reason I did that. So instead of basically pulling money out of the savings, I just pulled the cash out of the ATM, and then the money that is in the savings will just be switched to another fund. That probably doesn't make sense, but trust me, it's correct. It's the way I need to do things as a hybrid budgeter. And I filmed an unstuffing and then like a sort of like reconciliation / audit of all of my like envelopes and everything, and it was crazy. So those videos will be coming next week. Look out for those, because yeah, there were some mistakes and I had to correct some things. So I just want to see how much I should have here and just make sure that's correct. So $280 for my regular spending. We're doing 20 to birthdays, 50 to vacation. And okay, so this should be $380. So let's just make sure. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay, perfect. So we're going to take 280, 1, 20, 40, 60, 81. So 280 is going to go just in my wallet. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80. That is my normal spending, and I probably should have decreased that. I am going to need to decrease it, you know, to make sure that the mortgage is paid and everything. I probably should have started now just to get used to it, but I didn't even honestly think of it, so yeah. The mortgage payment, our first mortgage payment is going to be due September 1st. I asked the bank. So I'll have to pay that in August, you know, so that it's paid obviously by the due date. So, you know, starting August is really when things are going to change, but I want to start now so that it's, you know, less of a like tough transition, I guess you could say. So yeah, starting next month, because again, I didn't really change my budget for June, but for July, I definitely will. So that's the wallet, $280, you know, again, nothing exciting. Okay, this, by the way, is my undated budget planner, the seasonal one. It's just the full color planner. This is what I have been using since November, and I love it. If in case you happen to be interested, every month has a different theme. It's in color. I do also have a neutral version. These are both linked down below in my description box. They're available on Amazon, and they're also linked in my Amazon storefront. So just in case you need a new planner or want a new planner, these are available, and because they're undated, you can start them at any time, use them for any year and things like that. So here's what we're doing for sinking funds today. We're doing a lot, but you know, only a little bit of money in each basically. But that's okay. Like I said, I just did a big unstuffing, and you know, I have basically like almost no money in my savings. And so I want to immediately start replenishing it. Plus, I may need to do another unstuffing as well before we're done with like closing costs for the house. So yeah, I just want to try to get as much money in savings as possible. So here's what we're doing today, and let's just get going. So birthdays is where we're starting, and birthdays is going to get 20. That's not in this binder, so actually let's skip that for now. All right, vacation is getting 50. And I need some change, so shoot. Let me see. Actually, I might just be able to make change out of here. Let's see if I have a 10 in here, or $10. I should. Yeah, 5 and 10. And we'll put in 60. 20, 40, and 60. All right, and I normally do prop money for vacation, but again, because we're leaving so soon, you know, I just took it right out of the bank. So we're adding $60 here. This is my last stuffing of this before we go away, except for however much I'm able to get in the savings challenge that I'm doing for this. 951 plus 60. So we should have 1,011. And even though it's a lot of ones and a lot of, you know, a lot of money here, I am going to count it because I just want to make sure that's correct. I have like no space on this desk. All right, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500. 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900. And there's a fake 5 in here. I'm just going to switch this out for one of these real 5s and then worry about that after this. So that's 900, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1001. So I am off by $10. Am I off by $10? I don't know if I am or not, but it doesn't matter. I'll try to count that again another time. Wait, I am off by $10 because I took $10 out. Oh, that's why, because I added 50 and not 60. Wow, you guys, this looks like it's gonna be another crap show of a video. Wowza. So I had 1,001, right? So I think that should be correct. 951 plus 50, yeah, 1,001. Okay, nice. We did it correct. All right. I will be sad to see this envelope thin again. The ideal situation would be that I come home with money, which I may come home with a little bit, but I will have a bill at the end to pay for the cruise. So if you've never been on a cruise, you don't use cash throughout the ship. Everything just gets charged to your room, and then you have to have like a credit card on file. So if you buy whatever, like something that's not included, most of the food is included. I have the drink package, so all of my alcohol and everything will be included, but there are some upcharges and a couple things here and there that we will be, you know, buying. So we will have a bill to pay at the end. I'm hoping it'll be small, like less than 300. But you just never know. So I will, again, I'll have a bill to pay at the end. So if I have anything left over, that will probably go towards that. Okay, so that's vacay. Let's see. Emergency is 25, and I completely emptied this out. So we are starting from 0. And, you know, it is what it is. So 20, oh wait, that's going to be prop money. So yeah, like I said, this unstuffing you will see next week. I also still need to film the member exclusive savings challenge. It's ready and done. It's just, I need to film the video. I just had other videos to film. So look out for that next week if you're curious about what your exclusive savings challenge is going to look like. 25 going in here. I did take out the tracker that I was doing for this because I want to restart it, but I'm just waiting. I'm waiting till like everything is just done with the house, like until we close on the house and everything, just in case I have to unstuff again. I don't want to have to reprint the tracker a second time. So, all right, medical. Medical is getting $10, and that is going to be real cash. And normally I would do prop money for that. It's just that because I get my money out of the ATM, I can only do increments of 20. So that's just how that worked out. But one of these prop 5s is fine. Like I switched it out in the vacation fund. It's fine if it's in prop money. So that ended up working out. All right, so in medical, we have 20, 30, 40, 55, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 75, which is good. Again, we're building this back up because I just took 500 out of it to pay a bill. All right, so that is medical. Let's see. Penelope's in the other binder. Car maintenance is in the other binder. Household holidays. All right, I think that's it for this binder. If not, we'll have to come back, but I'm pretty sure. All right, going back up to the top of my list here, birthdays is going to get 20, and that is going to be in real cash. And as I said, a lot of this is going to come out, if not all of it. I have a graduation party this weekend and a birthday party this weekend. 20. And also I have Father's Day, which, you know, needs money as well. So 20 going in real cash. So we should have 178 in here. 20, 40, 60, 81, 25, 35, 45, 55, 57, 58, 59, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 178. And you know what I'm gonna do? All right, let me see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm gonna take out all these ones because I don't want to give somebody a bunch of ones for their birthday. So this should still be 178, 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 45, 55, 65, 75, 77, 78. Okay, that's a little bit better. I don't mind having ones in other funds, but you know, I just don't want to give somebody a whole bunch of ones. Okay, so that's done. Christmas is getting 150. I will film that in a separate video. So that's even another video that will be coming for you guys next week. Penelope is going to get $10 in real cash. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we should have 332 in here now. 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 300, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2. 332. Perfect. Okay, moving on to car maintenance. Once again, it's not a whole lot. It's just getting 10, but it's something, right? Like, you know, I would rather put $10 in here than nothing. Okay, so car maintenance, $10. That's going to be in prop money because I will just transfer that right over to my savings. So $10 going in. So 50, 70, 85, 86, 7, 8, 9, $89. And that's good because I just took 100 out of there as part of my unstuffing. All right, household is getting 10. Again, this is completely drained, but we're starting it back up again. I thought about, like, I know I told you guys this. I thought about doing away with this fund, but for now, I will keep it. All right, so $10 again in prop money because this will go right in my savings. So we now have 10 bucks in there. And then last but not least, back to holidays, that's also getting 10. And that should be this in real cash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. All right, so we should have 80 in here now. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 80 bucks. Perfect. All right, you guys, that is it for this one. As I said, lots of videos coming soon. So next video will be savings challenge stuffing. I have a binder unstuffing. I have a sort of like binder total reconciliation audit. I have to do a Christmas binder stuffing. I have to do the June member exclusive stuffing. I'm hoping to do another mini madness. So we have videos galore on the horizon coming up. So I hope you enjoy everything. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching. Thank you for all of your support. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.